Welcome back to the couch build part 2. Couch has been assembled. Nothing really to talk about here. I did buy some L brackets, as you can tell. The screws are a little wonky because they were going into some angled pieces of wood. But what I did end up doing with this, I did end up readjusting the back. I feel like going flush with the tops just kind of looked amateur to me, so I wanted to set it down just a little bit, put it on a 15-degree angle. I had a little bit lower than maybe should have once I sat on it and tried it. So I moved it up. I did 1/2-inch gaps between the base, but as you can tell, tons of seating surface. This thing weighs about 140 pounds at least. It's absolutely insane how heavy this thing is, but she looks pretty good. So got my stain brush yesterday. We are going to do a dark alder solid colored stain on this, which should look pretty neat. Over there, available at Sherwin-Williams. I brought my stain brush. We're going to put it on. I'll probably let it sit for about 10 minutes, then I'll wipe it all off. And yeah, we'll go from there. Got to figure out how to get it tilted to underneath, because I don't really want to lay underneath it and attempt to stain it as well. There's only about 8 inches, and that's not much thinner than I am. So we're going to avoid that at all costs. I would cry, Just wanted to give you guys a quick walk around. The couch has now been stained. It is in its final resting place, home amongst the other furniture, and we gotta say, looks pretty snazzy. Quite impressed. Definitely gonna build some more, some variations, and pretty excited to share what I've been coming up with. For now, we gotta finish staining the deck.